Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change out the lenses on your Diode Dynamics SS3. We're going to switch out the amber lenses for a clear lens, and all it takes is a Torx 10 and just to get these 4 bolts off around the housing. So if you are looking for replacement lenses for your Diode Dynamics SS3s, just go on their website. They have everything from amber to clear and then all your different beam patterns you want. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can check those out. What comes in a replacement lens? It comes in a nice little package. The lenses are wrapped up. It has a nice little rubber gasket going around it. So that's what you get. All right, so from here, we're just gonna get those 4 bolts out and take this amber lens out. And we'll do that right now. So if you want a close-up of what the lights look like inside, it's just a computer board chip. All right, so there is a right and wrong way to do this. If you look at the logo, it's right there. So this would be the top, this will be the bottom. So you just drop it in, sets right in place. Get your cover, place it back over. And then flip it over, we'll put the 4 bolts back in. So with the Torx 10 and some replacement lenses, you can change them to whatever beam pattern you want and color. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.